Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dan. I just got a quick video for you guys today showing you the GoPro mount or the headrest mount that I've got set up for my car. I've had a lot of requests for videos or pictures or whatever I got set up in my car to take the video the way I do, so here it is. This is one I'm making for one of my buddies. He drives a blue Focus RS RS2 package. He saw my videos and wanted a GoPro mount the way I do, so it's real simple. It's just 1/4 inch, 1.5 inch wide or square aluminum stock that I bought. Real simple. All I did was drill a couple of holes here and here for the headrest to slide through, and then just paint it black. And what that does is it gives you a nice flat mounting point for two mounts if you want them. One mount if you already know what you want. And let me show you how it looks like in the car. So here's Anita. She's a little wet. It was raining today. Find the back seat. There it is. This is the one that I use. Real simple. So I got the aluminum drilled through and painted. I was trying to decide what to put on it, but I got two sides that I can play with. So here I just got a sticky mount for the GoPro and a clip-on mount. So you just clip on whatever GoPro you want and it falls to the front like that. But you can just clip on whatever you want. For me, it was a lot of trial and error. I got a lot of attachments here, trying to figure out where I wanted it. First, it was a little too low, just sitting level like this. So I raised it up, and then it was a little too far back because you saw a little too much of me in my face trying to drive the car. So I leaned it forward a little bit, and that ended up getting me what I wanted. And it ended up being real perfect. Shows a lot of the track. Shows a lot of what I'm doing without too much of my face, which is awesome. And then if I want to, I put a 1/4 inch screw mount on the bottom to mount. It's basically the a tripod mount. You can put whatever you want on this, and this rotates which way you want it to go. And this is it's awesome. It's just super stiff. Doesn't go anywhere. The seat will break before this mount breaks, and I guarantee that. If you're wondering, the headrest posts are a 1/2 inch on both sides. You drill them straight through. I'm sacrificing my seat a little bit here, but I'm willing to make that sacrifice because track videos and all the good stuff. So, eventually I'll get, bucket seats and a 5-point harness and all that good stuff whenever I make Anita a race car. But for now, she's a daily driver that I take to the track twice a month, 3 times a month, whenever I can go to the Nürburgring. So if you guys like ring videos, subscribe to the channel. If you got any other requests to go to any other track around Europe, around anywhere, just let me know and I'll try to hit it up. Better me drive it and crash it than you, right? So subscribe to my channel. I just want to shout out to everybody else who has subscribed to my channel. I want to thank you guys. You guys are really what motivates me to make these videos and to make more videos, because I got a following now, so gotta do it. Thanks for subscribing. Click some buttons around the screen wherever I put them. If you want to subscribe, you can watch my latest YouTube video of my personal best lap around the Nürburgring. You could also watch the lesson that Driver Drawn gives me down here. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. See you guys around.